Passion is within all of us. Whether it's hitting the golf course on a sunny summer morning, taking care of a precious garden, or working on a DIY project late into the evening, Garage Plus will help you store and take care of the gear you need for your passion projects the right way. Since 1948, Elfa has provided useful storage solutions for unique demands. We've evolved over time, making sure to constantly deliver what people truly need and to create space where it never existed before. Now we've developed a new system for the way we live today, made to endure even heavier strain while standing the test of time, like our products always do.